In Austria, there's a frozen lake that makes strange, eerie sounds. It's called Weissensee, and every winter, it transforms into Europe's largest natural ice rink. The ice grows over 40 centimeters thick, smooth and perfect for skating. But what really surprises visitors isn't just the size. It's the bizarre sounds that echo from beneath the surface. Loud cracks, bangs, and laser-like noises fill the air, especially at night. Locals say the lake talks as it freezes and breathes. Scientists explain it's caused by thermal expansion. As temperatures drop, the ice contracts and shifts, releasing sudden bursts of sound. These aren't dangerous, but they can startle even the bravest skaters. Many people visit just to skate across the ice while listening to its mysterious music. Some say it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It might seem magical, but it's 100% real. Just another strange wonder hidden in the heart of Europe.